When I first heard the title Think and Grow Rich, I thought it was only about money. But after understanding the ideas behind this book, I realized it is not just about becoming rich in money, but rich in thinking, mindset, confidence, and purpose. Napoleon Hill spent more than 20 years studying successful people. He interviewed business leaders, inventors, and achievers to understand one common question. Why do some people succeed repeatedly while others struggle all their lives? This book is the result of that search. 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Every big achievement starts with a burning desire, not a simple wish, not hope, but a strong inner decision. Most people say, I want to be successful, but they are not emotionally connected to that desire. Successful people are different. They don't just want success, they decide to achieve it, no matter how long it takes. If your desire is weak, your actions will be weak. But when your desire is strong, your mind starts finding ways automatically. Your goal must be clear. You must know what you want, why you want it, and what you are ready to give in return. 2. Faith, believing before seeing. Faith is not religion here. Faith means belief in yourself and your goal. Your mind believes whatever you repeatedly tell it. If you keep saying, I can't do this, your mind accepts it as truth. If you keep saying, I will find a way, your mind starts working in that direction. Successful people talk positively even when results are not visible. They train their mind through repetition. Your thoughts mixed with strong belief turn into reality over time. 3. Autosuggestion, programming your mind. Your subconscious mind is like fertile land. Whatever you plant repeatedly, it grows. Autosuggestion means intentionally feeding positive thoughts to your mind. Instead of letting fear, doubt, and negativity enter your mind automatically, you consciously repeat empowering ideas. This is why affirmations work, not magically, but psychologically. When you change your internal dialogue, your external actions change. 4. Specialized knowledge, not general education. Degrees don't make people rich. Skills do. Specialized knowledge means learning exactly what is required to achieve your goal. You don't need to know everything. You need to know what matters most for your chosen path. And the best part, knowledge can be acquired anytime. Age, background, or education doesn't matter. Those who keep learning stay ahead. 5. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Every invention, business, or success story started as an idea. Imagination allows you to see possibilities that don't yet exist. There are two types of imagination: creative imagination, new ideas; synthetic imagination, combining existing ideas in new ways. Most people kill their imagination with fear. Successful people use imagination to build solutions. Your future is first created in your mind before it appears in reality. 6. Organized planning, turning ideas into action. Dreams without plans stay dreams. Planning doesn't mean everything will work perfectly. It means you start acting, learn from mistakes, and adjust. Failures are part of the process, not the end. Most people quit when plans fail once. Successful people change plans, not goals. Action, consistency, and flexibility create progress. 7. Decision, speed matters. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Unsuccessful people do the opposite. Indecision is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck. When you delay decisions, fear controls you. When you decide firmly, confidence grows. You don't need perfect clarity, you need commitment. 8. Persistence, The real secret. Talent fails without persistence. Luck disappears without persistence. Persistence is continuing even when motivation is gone. Every successful person faced moments where quitting felt easier. What separated them was the decision to continue. Persistence develops through clear purpose, strong desire, faith, supportive mindset. When persistence becomes a habit, failure loses power. 9. Power of the mastermind. No one succeeds alone. A mastermind is a group of people working toward a common goal, sharing ideas, support, and energy. When minds come together, a new power is created. Choose people who challenge, inspire, and support you. Avoid people who constantly complain or discourage. Your environment shapes your results. 10. Controlling thoughts and emotions. Your mind can be your biggest asset or biggest enemy. Fear, doubt, jealousy, and anger weaken your energy. Positive emotions strengthen creativity and clarity. When you control your emotions, you control your actions. When you control actions, results follow. Success is not about avoiding negative thoughts. It is about not letting them control you. Final message: the real meaning of rich. Rich is not only money. Rich means freedom of thinking, confidence, purpose, and peace. Money follows mindset. Results follow belief. Success follows clarity and persistence. This book teaches one powerful truth. Why try pointing back hand index what the mind can clearly believe and consistently act upon, it can achieve.